And then maybe we'll go for a silver on this side. Let's go with new. Just press shift and then click. Up. What's going on here? Right, here we go, shift, and then we're just going to move them across with the center scroll wheel. Let's go with add. And maybe for this time we will have bevel. Let's try bevel. Go into the corner right here. So notice that we've got all these kind of shades. So what we could do with this, instead of going base color, we could go roughness. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go add, because we've now taken out the base color. We need to add the color back in. So again, color ramp. Spot the American way. Where are we at? Right, here we go. Okay, so you can set it in between there, or let's try. Let's see what happens if we plug it into this side. So it kind of gets a little bit deeper. So I guess you could have two color ramps on here as well, just to make that a little bit more prominent. Let's go with color ramp. We could bring that in just at the sides there, so it looks a little bit more beveled on the sides. And what I want to really do is stripes going downwards. So we'll do that on the next one. Let's see, let's bring up this metallic just a little bit. Bring this roughness down, and we can see that we've got the nice little ball here. So you could use this kind of texture for, say, like the side of buildings or something like that. Say if you've got skyscrapers and you want something that's reflective, but you can't see into it. Also, you can mess with your alpha. Say like you've got a skyscraper and you want to be able to see inside. If we just remove the alpha just a little bit, now we have this object that is now slightly see-through. If we change the IOR, we can now make it a little bit more shinier. We can just edit that just a little bit. Okay, so what I really want to do is a bump texture. Let's move on to this one. So we're going to go with new. Shimmy this over to the side. I didn't give that one a name actually. 1 second. So this one we could just go with Obsidian.